Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be testing my carbon monoxide alarm, and the horn is covered so it doesn't beep really loud. Here we go. Oh wait, hold on. I did that by accident. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. All testing begins now. You might still want to turn down your volume. Here we go. Here it goes. This thing is loud, though. Yep, it's really loud. Alright, yep. And the kitty 10-year seal lithium ion battery one, the worry-free one, I don't have it. It's upstairs right now, and I'm not gonna test it right now either because that smoke detector is way too loud. I don't want to get anybody freaking out. This thing is really loud, I have to say. Yep. So that's it. Bye.